I'm proud of it, and I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa FM. Sompa Sports.
I said it after we lost against Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to get to the final.
Sompa FM. Sompa FM.
All right, Sompa 93.1. Ya chance ya bo modena yetimi edi shootout juma diena baba be ramo etimi era mantini entran ko ize no na beba ye be page mo na de akebia ato aso etimi edi amone shootout no e ya fisem no kontene ye chance e baba mu edo so mu kun e be fa so a Ghana Sport e be fa ne ntoma pa etimi efrati ne entran ye be didi nkoma do na ne na do ani chema CAF Champions League no ye bo modena prems no nye no nko a the CAF Confederations Cup no and also draw no 18-year course until 2023-2024. Ghana ya bo mode enye teams ni mienu a ebeko akwa jamuna omo abo ejuma na abo na ma da ye pa etimiera mentimedie ma any dream saves your mon komo no ewrama etimiera ma da news no ebebo etimi area abana abo na ebibia akoyie prayer ama medino abo dia bishop atapoku ha Michael Asarbo apostle wa Michael Akomia Jemfi wa your producers no your Ricardo Vaz your Wonas and akwa Kevin Mon na Buffalo mo and afi buzi mo so no MCR adwuma mo bono enye adwuma keto akra ti on Facebook o search na on sato so a wa like wa share na wa bomoden etimi a comment no se no meba na maba be keka comment ni bi etimi da ma na ma sara kese renko emfa ema aboafo a dani de nyina mo so ya asemi eba betram ye adwuma no etimi da ma Dimpa Nature Health Clinic maka zene also do nya ene wa bomode atente de zanze Dimpa Nature Health Clinic kona osa no omo ye specialist o medjuma mo bono ano edempa na yesi nei onyinye nya sa sunsun so we a na wa manan etimi aboto ze wa oti so yemi oya obonso no eyo ya na afi wechi so no otese eyo ya wa na utipa o afo ana eze weni so echi wo ana afi du anadwo a wuntimi nda udidi a oguso ate aduane wechi na afo akoma no onyinye nya nsensem ne ha kakra enso ono na afi so ne wa oteze uminimu no ne ma nshara ndeda ye asa dibi sa ho a na wa unsampa osa na ashase bonka ye ebia ba kope na akwa ye hwene abomode etu ase doku era ma edimpa ne child kene kokwa abido nkoten ye bedo so ni a bibia ya ye na akwa kodu enike on befa so betimi aso ano ama wegia na so ntinye zo okọ ya ne seko na ye ba ne ya ba bedo so na momo no ye de ne ma tototo na kwa ma ebo ma nhihye ne koyie pa etimi edi ema no so echi no amo abomode etimi aye nhihye ni ya ye si ne so obi ewo osa owa amano ne adini nya ache wa ya yo ntimi nso ano a oreto omo nkra omo nso bebo mode atu nipa ne nkra na sa nkra to no abo ma nipa na nya ahode na bibia akuyera manti form na maro komodi de bia eni omo ndi 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 and a 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 opo mo na second floor oru ani ache mo Willas Towers no de chem su Kumase enka na bebi ana men share t-shirt scheme no no hono mo ebo ejuma Dimpa Nature Health Clinic Dimpa yes na unya Dimpa Nature Health Clinic stomach ulcer last stop ne mwa na jaun na so drinks no eye mienu pe eno ani abobo bobi a ame ahoden so nko ani nyina mo no ye gen na so ani makoyi kama pa etimi ere me na munkomo no ene sere niema sitie no ba ko ye mixer 5G uram na ne kan ye odin na de wabomode abo no simple ze mame ana papa mame 5 ya bomode ndi aba wodo na wo mu ebebo na sisio asa mo ahoden cafe sin bia enim ti ozo okọ na akọkọ jibibo omo na di mizo fruit drinks na ba drink amu ede makase organic fruit so na omode abomode etimi ede ayo orange mango apple pineapple na melon oboso uzampa emu eduye papa entize baku bi na emu ha no ntime pacho kona akọkọ jibibo na abo sapi ze na ye na baba di nto na ba dodo na ba be hiem na no bi uji a orefa mixer 5G no fama mpinfo no mizo fruit drinks no fama nkwada no na wabo zampa odwumadi no ebe krabere fanamba yi enkomodi de bia ne omundi 0246 270221 0246 270221 and at 0558 106348 0558 106348 348 niambwa na ne manko ye print me fama me amba bosu no obenya bi manager Daniel 21st clinic orwani chema hwe overseas ojibu ono mama Esther adumni asunje junction Watra Baptist University ebu akwa obejibu ono PNC Ventures so anomaje taxi station also Charity Hospital junction no obejibu na Nasachi Enterprise no orwani chema safo abinchia also VIP car park no ye boano wajibi na ne ma deda dimpa etimi e de ama me abe ejuma nyame na ma me no so bo no krodiama no ano Eden boys no muntie wade ni so na peze ne upejam na eye bache pa na eze banchidua emu ayedua ma me ne bebo transition e simple kra from Wiser to Beam Nation now so ne ka mema wa ba be ka ho na abo etimi esiesio ani izemeza wonu se ne ye nyi prostate no kesia na ye na prostate ne ye kesia one rentimi entu ana mo adabi no ye de ade bi ko akwakoto be manim ya na ha adwen kakra ni no hwe etimi asoso ano etu ase kama pa low spenker na edunya oben we etimi aboa na nam yare no oye refu hepatitis B oben we ya no baby girls no makasa center boat o se mo hwe na mutimi tight boat ni zanze hojo sa ya na boys ne mpedi ahojo ni bi amu pe baby a ho chi nti ozo hwe na ye bo modin mi mama na baby che eye de ya kono eba ne sa na asumdwe etimi abafie na hyehyɛ na dadi soro etimi ra mabo so me so bunsa na account dwea ni nyina mame no ebo modin di ujuma na opeba wapem so enfo bre na waso ano de ama twa ya ba ko anim guase pa wadu nipam na afi na eba nyaba be yi ne ho na oduru ma na so ya simple kra e de man obre na wabomode etimi to ase na so no wetimi adwoa ya isa malaria fever bre na wetimi aboa na afi so kra no yesi na kwada na wawo na enkofo kikai ka se enche obefi mu no ewo maame no aso no bre na waboa etimi ama akwada no so no enya na ya isa ti sickle cell on sesem de odamufo akwa sickle cell test no yes scan test no oye open ata no so apatrapa new site o obana apatrapa junction number ni 0243 3453920 243 and a 0506 4602008 0506 4602008 niambwa nane manko ye pen fa mama daroma ye baba betramu ye djuma no etimi ermana tanta so Ricardo mon family ram ne the CAF Champions League no 2023-2024 ene ye bomodin awo CAF aso ye ko etimi akoko e draw no ene kwere premier na aba be ram se mediama any team from Remo Stars awoni echemo Nigeria omo ebo djuma no ene de kwa akobo ni na boama ntoto no etimi akwe na first leg no ebe ram 18th 19th August na return encounter no ram 23 26 August na mama me timer na draw ne course you do mediama ye bo modin ayi no na nyare ketwa say na feeling no na esiete.
And the winner will play against Horoya of Guinea. Midyama SC of Ghana.
Sompa Sports.
The next team. Vimo Stars from Nigeria.
Etia no ye de ne orwani chemo CAF o maso ye ko ekokoto dwanti mediama ejoma na so ene Remo Stars o mo Nigeria ene timi ere abo eni munkomo no wina no ebehia holoyo o mo ewo Guinea no so no first leg ne be ram on the 15th 16th September na returning content ram on the 29th 30th September na boa na bibia adeda di pana the CAF Confederations Cup no and also etimi ye ko so ye bo mo de atwi ntuntu no ene tima ye form Milo FC o mo ewo Guinea patamo o mo Dreams FC ne betimi era abo ne yesi Milo for no and be can aboard the first leg no on the 20th August na second leg no around 27th against our Dreams ebo modern etimi a host you mon no so no time a etimi edu no say ne no so no omo ebo modern room
from Guinea. Milo from Guinea. Dream of Ghana.
Ti alonso ye de etimi eram na we no de wo ne ze be wi o mo kokokoto ye no cha na cheze teams a na ye buy no nya de say the all qualified ye hutima on be boje so mo transfer bo mo de entoto no na o mo di mun komo no aba be ram nti ne Milo FC e wo Guinea omo any Dreams FC ɛwɔ Ghana na de ɛbɛbɔ ani nti Ghana ɔwɔ sɛde nneɛma esi kɔ atum zampa ebi bi ahye yie pre team yɛde ma teams na ɛboa ma na ma dadi soro ɛde ɛma ɔmo Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum ɔrɔ ani kyɛ mo mana so ɔmo bɔ mɔden a ɛne line CC no gu so a ɛkɔ so na ɔbɔ mɔden akra ɔmo ɔze bebi edu na ɛwɔ so sign ba na ɔba bɛgya mo ɛbɔ adwuma de ma krɔbia na ɔkra ɔmo no nkɔmɔ no sei na ɛbɔ mɔden ewura mu.
It would have been improper not to officially say bye to you guys before
Sompa Sports.
Na just obo mo de etimi edidi di nkomo etimi edoma sesa akwanya no eba ba weda mo ne omo etimi abo adwuma hyehye na koyi kama pa etimi edi amo mo ntu resere nema na esi ekode mu nchemu a ode ba betu dwa na kyese no aseda sonko ani nyina mo ne wura mu etimi edi amano na aboa ma ne ma etimi ada yeso no etimi edi amo mo na yefio na yenkonkodi nkomo hatefo koma so weekendi NCC ne kokuhia edidi di nkomo na nkomodidi emu ne etweben NCC pen pa your friend Elvis Seseheman na yebizo open sare nkomo ni city ene niam na esi ewuram no chemu kakra monhia mudie no a mukoko hia na ede ade ankasa na de ane de timi ewuram nkomo se no open pa no bomo de ja
report edi maomo me na me lady NCC Emma me kind the report no including financial report of the last 4 years tomo ni mono. And yes, I didn't we delegate no as I extend the mandate 1 year. So within the 1 year no, yen find reorganization. Now yen shena yen set of committee. By the time of 1 year, nobody mind be due to see to the next election. And the 4 year report. Eddie Maumo.
Eltia no ye komo bomo de timeri jeje zampa omo kokohie no na ewose ye to abamo no 4 years na so no mo de o report ne ko ekokodon ampa omo bomo de timi etu sa na mo na ni nyina mo ebo ama bibia ko yie pa etimi re mo na after no no so omo transe etwi ntonto no omo girize nei ewose ye hwe na mpinfo no ye samo mo 1 year ka ho no omo to aso etimi ebo omo adwuma ntie no a ene ebo omo de etimi to aso bibia ko yie pere ma na sere na no me ba be di nkomo no na zoro ani chemo pankrono na bibibia de dia pankrono Roman Park hona ni Dr. Sewa Donko super clash no etimi course no pankrono professionals no eni jomo na so ani omo ne tafo professionals na de bo eni ba na wi no na pankrono fo na bom ekaba ko a omo entimi antimu nkomo no Dr. Sewa Donko no ebo moden etimi re san hyehye ni dwumade ne ba be baze no edi nkomo akra se we na enso a omo de niam eguna kwam na aboa ama sampatamu no football na koyi nsensi no de tudwa
for minim the football etumi eye ne sentino ye be hyase lope football ewe ye constituency ha say enkwada omu pese omu bo football ye be pe coaches a e be train omu in academy na ye competition na ye betumi a select talent ye be promote omu no omu so enya baby esi entino ye nkasa brocha bagana afa de tafo panko no e be fa ne ntoma papa bi efra
Eltia no ye command Dr. Sewa Donko ebomo de timeri tudwa ni na boa ma ne ma de da dinti no zampa bibibia de na kwama ye football no kakrakra ne ma de da dadin ani so no eba ho ye pa tie no ye komo obomo de di after say ne ma de da dia pankro no professionals na share ba ko a tafo professionals intimi ante ye me ame ofa over anwamo honorable and on a new German tafo professionals coach opimsu bia ne ma sharan ko ye kra entimi amfa mo na mun komo na ano edin ye papa ti sa pepe ene no so esieti a ye ron komo no etimi ade adan na ne ma ko ye pa etimi edi amom na se ronim no milo no so guso a ne no ekoso oru ani chemo kuma se baba sports stadium na ano edin ye papa ne bishop mo eje pen ye kokokuru amu bo mo ni akoma ombeba na reporter odo na ometimi edi ewramu kama pa etimi edi ama se de dwumadi no e hyase ano pa ye wrama ye ni inua ajekum blankson ha do na efren Orlando edi nkomo obo mo de twa ahomfonyi ereche se ni se na ewrewramo se ni se na eko eno nso kra chi no re se the teams no na schools no ebo adwuma che sampa dwumadi no ano ayedin am na chese aye krabe ntini na ebe na ya bomodin na mresi no yakona yakwa kodidi ho nkoma na bibibia etimi adeda yeso no etimi ramon de Ricardo Murena akomia momra ma mewura mu na report no mo kokodu ye se de niam esie kwa ni mu nchi mu no omfa emra ma mewura mu entimi emaye kama pa na bibia entimi endeda din ti se de anopa no ehya a ereba ba bewura mu ne se de isi akono mresim no mesa Orlando na me ne no edi nkomo na ya hwese de niam esie ti edi be bibia aboko de
Unyame adomahwe ye ni experience abudi abi
niam de da ye pa
bibia de da di seja musuma ya kwaba.
Oh, okay. Now, moko na how to say?
You quite no say no udi can raise a concern about nipa dodo na e stadium obehwe game no. And I'm catch you say because of publicity sem na anhye down kom no ahyase ne nti no. Enno na manfo ahodo na anhye da nim se bibi se ekoso. Be na no ye duru ho no. Say oni ese e catch. On stands ne dey for schools no.
Oh, okay.
Any students normally omo ye old students na omo taiba no. They love to be at the VIP wings and the VIP nakas, and you could definitely see say na nya fedi agro crab budi abi na nya fedi agro crack
Sompa Sports.
And what's steady the way our witness is etia even say the geographical way of getting people to the stadium netia on the schools na wo a check akra no ebi e wo Fijase ebi wo Adwura on Sunday to the beer or morning time ma be brisa.
Yes.
Into a mobile be an students in a crab in a bed join the aba. But normally if you have schools a war Kumasi Metropolis at West Konongo Ejoso. Ubu said de bian do na be day. Ebeba. Iti Osha fixtures near Shas na. If you're having high school, be rest assured they say Jinya asenya hinsan for killers ni nyina players no mum ni nyina
omu nyina ba be support
omu nyina ba be support because omu players wo and na first na yeti yedi kasa ba how na man for stadium ko he kotokone ki face amu games no because oba area boys set ni nyina pese omu ye dey omu so ti hinsan for be ba o cares for so ba o cares for nko ama wo o cares the tafofo no iti tafo no so nye tafo ye o tafo ayimbromu yo tafo anfie yo tafo mile 3 yo tafo mile 4 ni nyina no omobo omo modern e make sure say omo behwe say these particular people no betimi aba stadium no ma ba be feel one at some point in time it abu in all you definitely understand say how a new man city and geographically no oh baby na school no baby na say ya eboa ema ni padodo na aye dey epuba nti bi na ema ni padeba na
obeba na wa baba beto aso na ayeyi na bibibia deda ye kama pa etimi ediama nti no eno ye Michael Akomia Jemfi na Jemfi eno opo modern ye kokorama said a report no esietie no odidi unkoma nti mesen akono so na ya bomodern na ye ramu na Ricardo enyewi no ma ye hwe minim ze videos no wanya bia na nka ye enjoy kakra ne ade a because chroma de oba Milo games na ya boa o wese de mun komo no isi etie ne niam na isi ekwa ya dodo na bomode didi on komanti no ebere na ya bomode na yetimi ewram na bibibia enso adeda ye kama pa so no etimi edi amao na hihye na etimi akwe na kramone se de niam esitie no nya yi na ye nwram na ye hwese ye be kona yakwa akoje the care report no etimi refiwa na ya hu se de niam isi ekobat bibia tutuma ye be ko na bibia so na etimi adadi ti se de ye hwe no enche ye be sen rani ye ya but mediama o maso no ne ababa beto ya say Darlington Fosu Jan contract no with mediama na ko etimi ya apem enti wanto aso bi mentimi afa mamonti no free agent no nkoma ababa betudwa unze mrebe twam no bojuma edema Karela United oni omo ye djuma no fi obaba bewura mo mediama na obewura mo no so no waboa ama this season squad na G League no kan bi ze ma konta no enti Jan Fosu Darlington per report na chese na contract na ko de timia da pema on mediama intimi ntonko so embo djuma ni bi mti sa pepe eni si eti timiza abu ya to aso
yes iti abu o hwe fi one man nipa ne de na de o ma ba bebre enti e ko na ni so na ni kan na e kokko na o case ni high school na na ebo already earlier in the morning ni ehunu matches a wabobo results ne so a kire ya de akwakusi that time Okas on the first game in the competition, never say knockout stage in this time. But high school, they almost second game of the day.
Yes.
We go on papa and mobile playoff. ana playoff no mo de penalty shootout here there ekoko na no mo share no Okes born no more than share high school by 2-0 first half na them is Okes for anything I say e making sure say adwuma na also mutimi maneda ana mo ye ni din timi say high school for second half back game mo pem so far ha Messi wa ha no e din akese mobo na bi twatra eto mu nyina na mu but
omo eto omo ti
eto ne dia kese na die nya bete o dia ate the stadium ho ne no di bala mu nyina na mu
omo di bala ho nyina
izi oze kula lo mu school buli la ya samba mo mu nicknames no bo de dey obo de to ana no mo de koda ba bi na numu ana ebenya sakafia so so mo so ba be bo mo ne efi school na abu sakafia na efi school no is one particular game amitima ka say sakafia ebe ball to say the more professional football.
Wow.
Yes. Sakafia be ball to say the more professional football. How they build up from defense to air attack. Osho omo midfielders na 4-3-3. Omo typical number 6 on no division 2. Obo division 2. Omo midfielder bo division 2. Academicals. Goalkeeper division 2. Academicals. But you see say omo players omo very young. Very very young. Na pa if 40 or fiscal 40 or 9.
What was it?
9. And they are one school maba tournament in ma. Once a time there 20 minutes. Omu possess it. Once a 2020 there was anka passo papa
as a local about pro.
It's a quick aggressive football run but we mono calmness. Prepare born free chida no critic chance on born to net. I was a fiscal for na ankasa nani me fiscal for coach.
I was Daniel Line.
I referee Daniel Line.
The line here fiscal for coach. I don't watch over.
I don't watch over for. FIFA referee Daniel Line.
I think we interesting.
La earlier Kubuzari said la when there was all that be technical director. And on the other part of Sakafia, Mohammed Awana no sujina nchen coach Sakafia no so referee.
Wow. I review our Mohammed. Wow. But so, I think competition we know interesting
the euphoria and quality football I heard and day no. And why you hebi be na de no. Ohwe Okes high school intensity and mabu. It's like every division 1 game. Premier the hane was so. But it's like division 1 game intensity no and the quality of football I heard and no nya better. Now man for classic as I give you the came and 35 minutes.
So much.
Yes. And some Sakafia about the club but we almost there second half them say a fiscal for what race or will be trewa. I heard because 67 and also so down. And Akuma Kasuba and Akuma Kasuba be here some bit my bibia. Kuma Kasha say papa boso me from.
Amoza your more.
Omashikuma 3 goes to 1.
Wow. Sompa Sports.
And Abu Adeba Kwama this time around me who say quality ni so eba back free some time maybe albenya schools be a quality so once the first no yeba be here schools and colleges are yeba here was yeba here Prempe yeba here high school yeba here Konongo Dumase Amas yeba be here Edu Jemfi yeba be here Okes nya ba be here Obuasi Sectech because these schools no na omo taye sports no epe almost any madie no more scholarships but also because of the free SHS no now talent has been spread across
amachegu bibia and you know who confine so obi be
because born now I was speaking about Sims the kind of performance on Bedanedi now listening to the story of Sims Abu I think most of coaches now and conform when you are doing some way academies no they are making use of the sports and colleges in no more Boama and school seminar to me a day akosoro dia momo onsa na nka first no akola betimi achi ne obobo sa abo pa onko school da yeso ochina no amia ne ke na twana but now omo use schools no as an opportunity to help the kids some dey beti to kwan we speak to 1 or 2 coaches bi a obo home but ministers for need nkomo kakra bi no it is obi project awakoya academy waterfo kwan ne so
mo ne benefit from
anankola na omo bana bi obi free akra obi free bono we free ni parent in chain also to school no so no omo ka down kla no do makọ Sims
o enti na nra na omo ball no na o kan one say so sha
and as I'm speaking to you now omo do omo one player kire me a boy na ko Germany aba
Wow.
Almost also when he was come back to Germany by the close of maybe a next month.
And on project and
you look at Sakafia and a link with Benab.
Sakafia. As in a Benab was a link. The observe Benab for no do now.
Gamma can't tell us here with Park.
Is in round players and a bare force and a
because I do Fisu Park Sokaka. So most of these clubs now when you walk youth football, money academy, who know all of these things, they are making sure so or more bang most of the schools now. Quest are colano, born a pen or ball, but at least or best school being a BBI day, etimiasuya. But I believe, sir, we have enough quality where system anymore. Let me say, Anna, you could see, say, a problem. About Korea, no one say dinner, and this is a semi money at age, the soda left. Then they were called baby or Befabiano Akakofa. But you know, I believe, sir, it has been a peaceful competition. Quality is at display. And yeah, but ne kumaka for ne area and as I say, show money really to was for better as all like for so bebo. Then at the end of the day, need a close ball. China pay bidra because China almost started round of 16.
Sompa Sports.
To now Abu Babia almost city fixtures in the fire. As on my packet or more heavy duty that tournament. It was a big boy you would tell a go for ako. And I was so far.
Now was seeing for Real Madrid Series G Champions League. Your back is here. Over the tournament, and your team for falling abo. O back is here. Own the match or no. Yeah, just to me as our teams na near your mobile. Liverpool, China, Hung, PSG, or Bejene dear, Juventus Bejene dear, Bayern Bejene dear, Chelsea Bejone. Sa tournament, the Obegia. Eya Kesian and I know to say, who group bim. Now, ABR no first 2 matches. Now, could she ask me about being a bit match and in a free match and in free more?
Was there? What would there? Then I told you a man near say, 3 years now, your player be managed to me to qualifiers now pass it through the Fanaba main tournament in one and I had drink.
Oh, and they are had.
It been a quarter high school. No. The specific player number 10 and I can once a protest here. The
Dubiasi player.
A Dubiasi player. Now, also, we in the free man, some of my playoffs.
So, no name is a team on S.
Yes. And what you coach in the casa, Mudia, out to me say, Hanan Casa. Because no one is on all build it born in around them. And then almost as na or more Nipa why almost best player throughout the qualifiers in terms of almost center back. No. First play of Nibu and also aggravated injury.
And also in Timam Bow.
Also Tiba. A told me about many qualifiers, Nipa bit me a few a bedroom. Partial now over here, not either injury and I know we are for protest be now white now bar now be would never be seen. But I believe that this time around there are a lot of surprises. So what's a sectec? Every mama maybe some more questions is this is the real what's a sectec we know school benefit the Sims. What are the missions? And look at boss everybody are calling high school boy yeah 1-1 has been a penalty crowd but to Tanzania I had to go on penalties. First, na kuma kane bosome fe won bebo aka hwan na ka be usan ko because kwa man pon ho ne ija for boys ni na no expect so wo jida benamu e kwa kusi aprade to mu nyina asa so ba nei bosome fe na me se sha se 5 minutes we jam ye panya na board net
why you man intend
you were film kra abu you were film kra inti the level of competition in the abu I'm really impressed but one way or the other some schools are near nim so mu ye say no so no Gather, that's almost sports. No, may I ever say.
Monty, Bio, Bame, Unya Quaribina, we are men and I'm in apostle. Baby teams in our cotono. They beat me in your qualification. I Cup Champions League in the Confederations Cup. The team I doing for Akusha, Crowd, Crab, and Tobon
Can.
FC Milo
2004.
Sompa Sports.
Normal say West African Sub-Regional Youth Summit or Guinea Conakry. Area Beko Monrovia, Liberia, and Tokwano, so that Africa and the Cobia we were put in an STC bus. The Efrim Kumasia, Abuja, Guinea, Liberia.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure quite I'm fast so no baby a day fire and everything. It's one of the trips baby I made me feed her. Because I said, no, so what passport? Yeah, stamp your passport. I was so happy my car reached out. What could you know? And then maybe someone say, STC, I want to so called Liberian. Charlie, look, it would be a great opportunity for you
Sompa Sports
to make that journey, Jeff. Guinea, Liberia, Guinea. Look, I'm so wow. Look, you have no idea. I would wish that for you. Say August, yeah. I'm on pay sponsorship. We have to make both trips. The marketing department take note. Young Fawin Cambo Camp Black Stars from now till October as part of the commentary stream. Whoever goes on that trip, Nyame course and will be dry. Absolutely. Skasho bottom so abeda Nyame ase. Say makwaba. BDS in with the I would love it. Any of you at all. I had any the Emre. Bamunko.
Sompa Sports.
How can you there or not catch them so? Make a cover tournament way. That's why I'm there. Look, because on best Tampio Ghana Togo, a flower, and Togo to Benin on best Tampe, and then Benin would do a semi. Look, so both sides on the eastern frontier and then on the western frontier, Ghana, you are traveling. Masakobi. None of the Michelle or TV news is a Remo Stars no bo a Benin border a southwestern Nigeria. Two Remo crackers. Minesho so be kai free wako, but who run Nigeria from Semeura, Nigeria, you should find a bus that will take you there quickly. And yes, we all call Lagos, no Abuja, no Debbie, will be doing them. We are no Asamba. The experience you'd have, you'd share with them. You have no idea. I wish our clubs well. When in your trip,
Sports.
And you need be no work from because my course Senegal. Brahmi brilliance and me drew on Yamin Kwanin. I was saying on Fanco way Casablanca. 4.5 hours. No for Mauritania be Senegal. No more West African flight be Air Avoir. Minim said that's why active, sir. But I know this all called Daco d'Ivoire be 2 days. And some are connected to Wako Senegal. Here one more Nane Bon's wedding. But offer for my like it's beautiful. I wish our clubs well. It's a very good draw. Remo Stars are good. Kankanya they are feeling any Bekasa. Bibia Beyoki. Emrena Dani. Ashanti Gold no more partner club or Guinea.
Yes.
Goldfields. Now you will be a Guinea. They had a partner club there. Time the Jambomo one day Yakuba Sila. I'm free on the Bebo Ashanti Gold. Omunim Bopa Silano. No Boko national team. No. 2000 and the first time I made a ball at Accra Sports Stadium 23 years ago. Opening day of the Ghana Premier League. Ashanti Gold, Eshe Olympics 3-0. Namiti Stadium one. My name Papa. So free Northridge. Eba Befa Kaukudi. Now I said they'll do any airport residential area now. Ofa airport kwana. Otra traffic light na Kaukudi traffic light no. Where's our airport residential area? Right. I'm from a Gold House. Not go for it. I don't know more. I don't know more. Bra. And yet you make it too. So the Africa, Bra Abo, we've really written our name in stars. Ya bo papa. Ya bo bra. You know. What I say? I would love to see them. Now marketing department. Ernest, if you never see 15 forgets the budget in the they should find the sponsors for that tribe quickly. Your commentary ni kama akrakron ntu kwan odi acheke wa ha Guinea for no so aduane bi okwa Jeff Betcher papa bi kwa kosi ne so ukudra Jeff Betcher de obekwa kosi ne so
Royal president
no na obutomayema
but another so bompa na media ma qualifies to the next day to meet Oroya.
Oh no, Nipa Kron be di kan akọ
Some Nigeria,
with
Remo.
Confederations Cup no.
Okay,
No catch up papa ne say.
Milo di kanka for.
Milo di kanka for.
Udi kanko. Wo ko Milo di kanka no abo amane say ye na beba. No agiscan. Because our man less than 15,000.
Because papa ne Canada. He owns Warrior FC. Skadi onye hwe.
Nti ubeko. Look mun suya bibi. Na mun send dwuma ne si.
Bagini de obefe bi, obefe de me.
So ta say. Okoba. Obeba na so wani ma.
Bagini de eze abuko no nye experience.
Dumba ya na da so ye mampani.
Ada ese kwa wa wani msa obeko.
Eze bo match na ogini. Ana eze ombo.
Ada gini ya mobo.
Say last time we chance here ha scotia.
Ma Horoya played there.
Omo de ball no.
Horoya played there.
Kan kanya me so ball.
Enti men feel say you go ball country be e kama.
I mean the quality of football na
my lord dem say the ball ni mu kakra.
And then the quality of football cares boy and now no thing. But it's a team that has been well prepared. And they are the standard. Omo your gold standard. Our region with and the Ghana at large. Obiamba. Obienyo. Nobody comes near to these people. And then, many omo headmaster na nam hon. Okay, said master na ekon.
I'll never.
Get the video back and start. Okay, never park me so no me boa. Okay, where is Sakafia match no? Look, that man there, me Osha White echo hon. That's the headmaster for case.
Oh, okay.
Papaya or that's
Wednesday.
Travel check. Baby ojina no. Ne kra na boy wi. Na okoya arrangement say bus no bi san kra no ne omu di ano. Ombeko school sisi a. Ana say ompese omhwe ball ne kakra. Yewi a bus ne me form ko. Exactly. So I wanted to find out no say yes. Aside say sports activity a social interaction man kra.
Yes.
Omo free school abanti o so mo ba bon tindi nkomo ne. So trying to short too much wa how. Wow. Obi so almost say yendi hano ombeko time ben.
These are the only social events they will have time for. Nia kana design.
Ombeko time ben. And I was marveled. Say high school ball almost competition. Not many were happy with it. They felt say nsebi were chiri and APM. But other than that, ball cares for no born no. Some person almost high school keke. They wanted to lay down the marker to momo born round. Say, sir, other half, they are the team to beat. And in fact, every competition, I'm your favorite. Superzonals boys, I'm gonna win here.
Yes.
And now here. Kenneth Sapon. Now Obo Hassan. Obo Case 93. Ibrahim Tankobo 91, 92. Every single time, Omobi. Joe Louis. About 95, 96, 97 no free. Then Stephen Odro took over. Stephen Odro moved free on John Mensa. By John Mensa, a friend of Malik. He didn't want the friend of school. No. John Mensa area no. Suleiman Tari came in.
Sompa Sports.
Every single time. Okes are formidable. Every Lawrence Kanya, Emmanuel Nkrumah, until 1999. Yeah, under 17 team, na Kanya a right back, and Nkrumah a left back, and a goalkeeper near Maxwell Usubanahini, one of the greatest goalkeepers this country has ever produced. Liberty Pran and Ehan. What I say? He is one of the best. No, your goalkeeper. Or dressing or the white handkerchief fashion here. No, so okay, Seba Stadium. It brings you memories of a school that modeled itself well. Omo headmaster ne friend F Achampon. But the nickname on the friend Okoto. Yeah. Se sebi min kan ne bonimu. Se o se onu ni moja eno mi free ne body mu. Se ne be ya akra o case air pen no. Omo be nya na.
Sompa Sports.
So there's a headmaster who understood the need. Didn't tell me headmaster needing man can I would crown it.
Oh, okay.
Omo ye de ombe ye nyina wie no. Omo hu say omo opunu from pon by no almost sports no koso. Start opunu time. Now they would want to come back. They are doing very well academically.
Yes.
Ukes is one of the oldest schools in the region.
They are doing very well.
They are doing very well academically. But one person will say you can't take that title of them. Amas. 7-time champions. Edu Jemfi 5 times football champions. Sanyo mano and you will be fufrobia. They need to recapture it. Nti ahene mano the old students of Osei Senior High School. And omone school penyu for governing board penyu for na and they are supporting the school. Luckily for case, na mo bisa se hwan na yo coach. Anopa na edi nkomo bi na etwafofo di aton kwan num. O case nipa o coach o
Sompa Sports.
O man ko pochi na mfiri baby. Sandra Boache no ho. No o case. Ena GS transfer no de no call Adan.
Oh, okay.
Sandra Boache a former Fabulous Ladies player.
Yes.
Or a national juvenile star. Maidens and the Princess Neo boy. O course school we no omo de no call Adan. Nti no ntimi nkochi. But luckily for case GS air posting no nipa omo de ne ba ho no why BSc coaching from University of Education Winneba.
Oh, okay.
Specializing in football. They don't have just a PE master. They have a PE teacher or a coach or degree in coaching. And don't be misled. BSc a higher than any license then they are more He has the academic foundations.
So myself and Laura Kwesinyante, you were in that university. Say you better share a better fast, so I partner
Sompa Sports.
Who go there have degree. I mean, this was about 9 years ago.
And yet, like Munya license A, license B.
That is the best.
9 years ago.
Yes, Kwesi wanted to do that partner, the ballon line, not discussion breakdown. That was their coaches. No, yes.
That was 9 years ago.
Yes. So now the challenge was that how a Kwambe never fast so Sebi coaches no be almost secondary school more anya grades no, but on special dispensation for any retired legends on super say. But I don't know. Trainer and Konye ba share Hami Pa because it was one of the pillars of Kwesi's 4-year development plan.
Say NSA. Then with your degree in year, automatically you are absorbed by the state.
Yes, where you want that?
What best say must say no.
It's
we all license B. Sandra watching all license B. But license B need to be fanen koya by ejuma. So I say. But so
way back 2017. I don't know license
good. Into look, what's a degree? No,
you do cry.
Good. You be trying to snit. You be trying to BBR. You be man apartment. I was same secondary commercial, and that is the way forward. And yet the FNA. That's why I descend to that program. But what I say,
Matthias,
say, coach, I find no more time. No more year, Mama National Sports Authority. I buy to Aneka. I buy scanning your busumi ake to Anonkwa. Conditions of service. Giant obey them. Baby obey call. Ni nyina ya assured. Nti kwaku. Say Sandra Boachiwe.
The light on some.
Oman is can become a very additional duty hour allowance. Now you know. For the Kwabri East. We are the district football coach. A man me nyina no.
They absorb. I mean, say and say man make a show.
So what I say.
That is what you do.
It's that Friday. Nyame ya adom na mpanyi for you tomorrow editorial meeting na say. Yeah, be National Sports College na egu no.
Sompa Sports.
Professor Chumezi, like I said, I mean no disrespect, but I'm surprised because Ono baby free battle. He should be doing better.
Exactly.
He should be doing better. The attacker and look. Windy owns Winneba Sports Co, what is happening to it? Like attacker. Most of our top coaches, that is where government will send you to.
Yes.
What I say. And then yes, some government programs are training coaches. You need Germany. Coach Mumuni Gamal, any Masakuni Dumu, Kwesi's first badge of coaches are training more Germany. No, true states and Ghana government, any Germany corporation. We have any France, any Germany. We had this cooperation for decades. But I know was the last time I had a coach B from NSC. Any coach be acquired some country.
TB crash.
NSC training coach. First, so idea. On my nankasa, ata also beka. Your good programs are. We will still have had that friends with time. And yet it's not friendly, but training number go through. Buying the world only the best opportunities be given to government because government is some man who are good corporations. And the technical aspect here take advantage. And yeah, is your ban ever facilitated BBR?
No, dear anymore. Ya DBA simple. Ombre.
CKJ and Fico Brazil for training before 1963. Yes, I buy. And then is your take care of Ubek regularly. I call training. FA then limited, but that is where FA so partner abayino.
Amudi
Sejumano. Distant from Benya Ebasika J World Cup and a cup of no, but the technical development, which is the major foundation. Kolanu Blue last week, Wednesday, Penyibi Frame, Osioko Hum Kolabi Pa War. It's in a central region, Mekaidino. Now, Kolai Bolobo Pakikana, he watched for 15 minutes, he was marveled. Dan Kole Wagana. To such a person, say a basa dachi crap or develop further interest or besides always discover football because there are opportunities.
Yes.
What do you say? So our problem is there's no vision, there's no direction. And then at the end also investment that must go with it. Yesha say free baby, kakra. Yeah, so be. We are say I say abrabo. Uti enye obi there. Wo so no there. And to no there when you be say kakra. No, I could do pepper so do be or scan out where she says so would there no be in phases, but there should be a vision implementation strategy. I would hear the kakra Moruko Muska, Yentimi for Muto. Baby, me a shall free baby.
Yes, you do, baby.
But near say kakra no, send a breaking implementation down. You're implementing a do face where, for say in 1 year, not 2 years, say we see any corner, your name bring make sure see your bay. So at least over a period of time, your bedroom pen so be a your bed. What do you say? But unfortunately, that's not the way we are doing.
Last time, now I been over here. I was the vision 5 years ago. No, I didn't do 5 years ago. I'm not Benfica. Person my partner 11 wonders.
Oh yes. I do 5 years.
Guys are uncommon.
I think it's 3 years.
4 years ago. Agent no fi Benfica buy. Also we do Ghana. From on crying so they will be right teach ma on. Odu baby are not packing a car. Kokwe say Ghana and Kwadano. Omo bobo na say de na ema na ye no akra na say ball no so omo ba omo timi bottra normal minute na e su obo bi bo 120 minutes e bi bo 100 bi bo 130 na also obi say aron say na country like Ghana nkra no so ebo ball no muni ball no bo pa o nti omo na to ama ye ahwe ama ye no ye fi Portugal ba be hesa nkra we afọ omo de omo ma
ko so called big class or Ghana no matter
omo so that was the concern no reason I say ha no nkra ni ball pa ba say ye ye omo jeje mu na omo bo ne se ro mu sipe obo zo no ni be fi ba bi oba be hu wa kra we no wa be fa no na de ne ko was the next 3 years na be to Benfica nya akra bi ne ball 170 million no wa ba be to so na en wa say ha no ye ni plans bi a ye betimi afa za nkra na ye omo bi e be bo
we don't have it we just talk we can't no cause your say from you can't no you penny for no they don't make conscious of look World Cup started by January from 2006 World Cup started by nyina ban year na omo de bia legacy project or the amafi let's see we could have set up a soccer school of excellence solid academy millions of dollars and the abai you need almost 5.5 million dollars or so out of the 9 million. I don't know what government, because government has to take a decision as to whether Ompama FA now they should partner FA in putting a legacy project. Someone just shows us cannot be any umpire. That's the decision of the government anyway. And to be said, Saskano, you expect a legacy project be a who here say Sky the call from Colantity.
Yes.
But is that what we've done from 2006 to now? No. From 2006, Bessienne, work out back up any uncle. 28. But the Kenya say could be. But scanning for so free by the idea.
One DBA.
Because the uncle work up now. Near my area, never to us every boy.
Yes.
To call work up a win for by an idea. If you have serious priority, I can say idea. Northern sector, southern sector, or 2 soccer school academy. Boys, you can one answer me. You was scout attack about the lady. So you identify that and make sure with good relationship with the GES. Over district coaches. Responsibility to also scout. You train them in scouting. Kolano community be a bobo on who in Kolai on recommendation who original head coach. So they come, they meet, normal devising how to begin to teach in Kolano and what at every stage in time. At the end, they say in Kolano. Regional coaches will meet and look at Nyomaya across the region and then present to the technical director of the nation. So they say. That's how you do it. Players been here picky. Ashanti, you should be able to have the best 22 players.
Yes.
All the regions are FIBIANO from the second cycle institution, the best. Before Ebeko Coast, Kenyanko. At the end of the day, you count the best 18 young talent under 16, under 15, under 17, our region. So you can imagine, says, yeah, no cry across the nation. You are talking, you are 16 regions. What the father said, Savannah, Money, team.
Players, Buchu, pow.
Now, some players, Buchu, they are Semu, they are same origins, they are Semu. And so under 12, no, you have only 20 players. Under 50, you have under 20. Under 70, you have under 20. Into 60. The Chono is sister best, the film. Not their soccer school of excellence, no. The next 5 years, I didn't ever see
quality of it.
What we are seeing of Senegal and the rest, we can also replicate that. Because under 70 your players are wonder, and the following year do same. In 5 years, a pool of over 300 players.
We move under 17, we are next you push your under 20. About the no crowd, I bet Boama Jumana former coaches, no. About all philosophy be a lie at the ho. Your ball parting way. Of 15, or about 17 only partner that we few 20 were 23 after horror maybe abo is a national
supply chain no you do same to coast, you do same to the some of the players are also playing some of them are playing coast, some play division 2 but your young woman to almost money or more coast you do same for coast
Sompa
and overall pool of talent now I feel there a DNA more from that's the technical director comes in. So you trainers now under 12, under 15, no, because I call it 12 years. So a DNA or near 15 years. So that's the technical director comes in to do that. And now by reviewing your year no class now kind of no more over a period of time. And so we can. But we are when we are going. In a country where we are terrible at monitoring, young now your players to make a tournament. Say young qualify. That generation in
Agu.
And it's only baby on Bekwa. That time is it Lepediano. I have a problem with that because it's feasible.
Buku Chororo.
Ose.
Buku Lawa.
That's what I'm done for.
Never checking up. Lepedia.
A trono here, but beyond a tronem, I say implement it. Because any book no money, Colano the best thing I do. Here we are near Mouse here and I say, which shrinkrophobia. Is share ben or near my back, Cadia Ben or Mohia, or be successful. A hot seminar, Morocco investment, Sika, a quantia defe, Abu, oh nice Gabiawaya package or sugar or movie or to say yes. The 2 pillars, no, and easy. We shall be out to say, wow, no, Kobisana. Nema, that's a Nema, what she share. My package now offer no, it's a lot of cost.
Yes.
So there's here. And to our people already bo okra who no want to be friend.
That I won't man.
Because all share near our share no share ni pa no want to be friend. Because who share botoma and fa. Sana we are sitting here. Now yeah, clubs are qualify dreams baby oma fa no and they don't underestimate any team. No matter so ka Milo can come Guinea oh. Near sisi nan saying African football, no man, wonder yours is to prepare very well. May underestimate anything. Yes, I was so bet me I was so bet me pa. So they should prepare very well, and fortunately, I mean, on both first leg away, do you come home? And I want to answer no because then the second leg, we go home. I want to answer no because qualification will be dependent on away. Because therefore, if you are able to do that between Callum Stars and AS Douane of Niger, especially AS Douane of Niger, over the last 5 years they've been doing well, and easy, but good. It's a good experience for them. They should play their house or play their best, and let's see how far it takes them to. And map players no opportunity one, some two coin, and then the experience in playing in the competition. And in Niamey, be film in the course of playing the competition, a toughen players no mentally make them strong. So they say, coaches no so a more assess players no year who seem to correct. So even someone call for at least managers know the team so a team there may be operation there may be a team a cost war. The next time when you are be a kono obetimi to 2 name as compared to the first time I'm experience when it comes to Niamey attack also behind the scene for me Niamey to Remo of Nigeria, I'm making sure that Nigerian teams are doing very well in recent times. since Enyimba in recent time they've done very well. But for WAC ni Raja, Nigerian teams who have qualified to the Champions League group stage.
Yes.
So we don't underestimate them. And Nigeria, and bad, they can qualify from there. The crucial one for them is the Royal one. Yes.
And they are Dimpa.
Royal, since 2016, they've been consistent. Or CAF Champions League group stage, consistent. Since 2016. That is the problem. But it is also possible. I saw to I mean, media share Sundance and it's the same Moses. So they say. So I believe that first things first, Remo. Team scale over Remo, then they can look at the game against Oroya. Because football it also depends on how well you are prepared. And Moses understand operations. And to any TP boy, any Mamadou Sanders boy, or Tinyamasi, he knows how to get his thing done. Because in Africa, without operations, you believe because we're at this stage. At this stage, operation to qualify to the group. Yeah.
Operations.
Why you want to qualify? Yeah. So Moses understand this, and I know, sir, you will be able to navigate the Remo, and then Horoya. Let's see what happens. But good for it. We a club now. The experience, the moments, for the Leon Stadium be ready by the grace of God. By that I'm hand over August, but I'm not certain which week of August. The game is from 18 to 20th first leg, you know. So I mean Bompa say even senior first leg it be at the next round, no, I'm to qualify. You can imagine Mediamaba stadium, fresh stadium, crowd, and the euphoria of playing Africa Otakwa.
About the one teaching Asia. Why? I'm watching.
Now also we call Guinea now.
Why?
Open Guinea now.
Whatever Bible office. Why? I found my office.
Open Guinea and open Nigeria.
Whatever Bible office, boss.
Okay.
I remember. My office there.
I saw for Guinea. Guinea so I know muta you coupe anytime here. What the boss man don't say is kuati.
Ako kagidi. Adi arama pay ako so for to pick ba. Bi ona pick wa chempele out e bi there.
Sompa Sports.
Di there was pick ba la fe dia ke bia. Ato aso etibere aba. Bi jo to wo bi kala. Ozo tie pick ba Bolivia. Ah.
Onitin bi epue opue ya wampu ni kwao odi eniji ani kwansha abrabo mu afutu nyamsum woni daso edi eniji abro ni panyina Sompa ba ebe sundima Sompa FM 93.1 Sundima Fala fidino to Sompa 93.1 Na ya wani pama o Na unu huarada Ifisa kudie munsemo ubenya Aberabo munsemo ubenya Nyamsum munsem ubenya Anijie munsem ubenya Enyumpana kakuma ubenya Yamaimu amanyosem ubenya Osumpa di bravo ubenya Ubenya nina ubenya Sompa FM 93.1 Sompa die Ema kefiapa
Ohini yiri ekuya yeboa esia menie